Hi, good evening all. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap-Up. This is Kishore here. The markets were more or less flat. Initially they were down, but later on it recovered. Sensex went up by 41.75 points and the same closed at 48,732.55 points. Nifty went down by 18.7 points and the same closed at 14,677.80. Metals continue to attack the market, but however FMCG did good today in the market. The news for the day: Power Grid Infrastructure Investment Trust, which debuted in the market today at 4% premium, did very good. Debuted at 104 rupee, issue price of 100 rupees. It touched a high of 104 rupee 97 paise, but closed at 102 rupee 97 paise, which is not that bad. But let's see how it would fare in days further. Apart from this, Piramal subsidiary receives nod from CCI, that is Competition Commission of India, to acquire Dewan Housing Finance Limited. They had given their bid for 34,250 crores in February, which RBI had approved. Now CCI has approved, so now it is almost done. So they can go ahead and take it over. Apart from this, the next news is check bounces case in India has raised in April, mainly because of the pandemic ranging in the market. Early signs have started showing in April only, so going forward in further months it will continue to increase, is what the experts say. Again, loan moratorium is not been discussed by the finance ministry this time, so I think this will become a big issue going forward. A lot of NPAs may happen with the banks. Apart from this, COVID-19 vaccination Sputnik 5, which is being imported by Dr. Reddy's from Russia, is getting MRP at 995 rupees 40 paise, which is 948 plus 5% GST. Experts say that mixing of COVID-19 vaccination increases report of fatigue, headache, but this is short term. But in medium term and long term, there is no effect, is what they say. So it's a short-lived thing. So anybody who has headache and other things, I would recommend you to stay away from changing the dose. But however, if you don't get any other dose, if you have to take mixture of 1 or 2 companies or 3 companies, be careful. Apart from this, Go Air files for IPO, their rendering prospectus. The IPO would be worth around 3,600 crores, out of which 2,015 crores and what is what they will be using to pay up the debts that is there, including the oil and the pilot salaries and other things. Remaining they will be using for expansion and risk management, is what the report says. Apart from this, the top gainer for the day is Asian Paints, which went up by 8.54% and the same closed at 2,774.50. Top loser for the day is Coal India, which went down by 4.36% and the same closed at 146 rupees 80 paise. Gold has gone up today thanks to Akshaya Tritiya. Today, a lot of people are buying gold ETFs and gold bonds on the markets. So it's gone up by 113 rupees for every 10 grams and the same is trading at 47,551. Silver again has gone up today. Silver right now trading at 70,770 rupees for every 1 kilo and the same is up by 297 rupees. USD has gone down in front of rupees. It's right now trading at 74 rupee 10 paise and the same is down by 21 paise. Euro also has gone down today by 27 paise and the same is trading at 89 rupee 46 paise. Crude yesterday had gone down, but today it's again started moving up. Crude right now trading at 4,719 rupees and the same is up by 47 rupees. Indian government has continued to increase the prices of petrol and diesel for last 7 working days and today again it's gone up. Diesel has gone up by 37 paise and petrol has gone up by 30 paise. I think every individual in India would have got the pinch because of increase in vegetable and other FMCG goods prices going up. So if you haven't observed it, you can just observe the prices of vegetables and other things last week or 10 days back to today's prices. It would have gradually gone up. The technical charts, however, show weakness in the market. So I expect the market to be down Monday. If the global market support and things go up, then it may turn positive. But however, I would recommend you to play with caution. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so that more people get to learn and more people can earn. Thank you. Have a safe weekend.